The deputy leader of Nobel Peace Prize Committee, Asle Toje, has said that Prime Minister Modi is the biggest contender for the Nobel Peace Prize ahead of the 2024 elections. He has said that Prime Minister Modi is the most reliable face of peace in the world. Very, very important development coming in. He said that Prime Minister Modi is the most trusted leader for stopping war, and only he can establish peace.
Prime Minister Modi has intervened on a positive note in the Ukraine crisis, warning Russia against using nuclear weapons. And I'm obviously very happy to see that. I think any responsible leader in the world should give this message. And it's all the more important when it comes from a powerful country like India. Modi has been Prime Minister for some years now, and he's one of the elder statesmen of this world. And I think that lends him credibility. And it's interesting to see that India, that has in a record time gone from being a developing country to becoming one of the primary economies of this world, India is taken more seriously. And when India speaks, it tends to be with a friendly voice and without threats.
So recognition of India as a world leader and Prime Minister Modi's role is well being hailed by the deputy leader of the Nobel Prize Committee. Let me go across to my colleague Rishabh, who's joining us on the broadcast. Rishabh, high praise coming in for the country, for the Prime Minister. Asle Toje has said that India is becoming a rich and powerful country only because of the policies of Prime Minister Modi.
Definitely, if you see, this is a big statement coming in from the deputy leader of the Norwegian Nobel Committee, and this also vindicates what India looks forward to. We have seen that how, be it United States or European Union, they all lie their trust on India to mediate and negotiate between Ukraine and Russia, given the year-long crisis in Western Asia, Europe. And now this statement coming in from the deputy leader of Norwegian Nobel Committee further strengthens India's stand globally. Prime Minister Narendra Modi's stature as world leader has grown years after year, and now this statement further the same statement. We have seen that how India's impact globally when it comes to diplomacy have increased, be it in Quad or G20, SCO or Indo-Pacific or G7 for that matter. India has been putting forward its idea, and the world has been following the suit. And now the statement furthers the same sentiment, the global sentiment that has been in favor of India for past some time now.